Hey guys, welcome back to Dead Space 3. This is Chapter 13, Reach for the Sky. We got a little room right here we can go in. It has a bench. We can change some things up. Oh yeah, there's a blueprint, schematic, whatever it is. Got a upgrade circuit there. Let's have enough for the resource pack. You gotta be kidding me. It's too short. Let's put that +2 damage. Now we got +2, +1. Just tell me I can get that. You know what? I want to add more damage to this. But I'll just make one of these +2 clips. And then I'll have enough. +1 damage, +1 clip. Well, that was kind of pointless, actually. Can I remove that? Yeah, but I don't want to because it's... Oh, okay, I can see. I know what I can do now. Let's just do that. And that. So now we got more damage. And we have the same amount of clip. Okay, that works. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I need to get items. Used a lot of med packs in that last section, and I'm not very comfortable with this section coming up, so I'm going to bring some extras. I like to have 5 stacks of ammo, and since I have the extra scrap metal, I'll just make it right now. I'm not really worried about running out of ammo in this part. I just figured since I have the extra resources, might as well. Oh. Scavenger bot. Gotta put that one down over here. Bring me back 2 ration seals, please. No, I'm just gonna drop... No, I'm not gonna drop the other one. Look at Ellie's green eye. It looks like it's closed more than the blue one. Maybe it's just me.
Where's Robert? Is he...
I shot him, Ellie.
What?
I'm sorry. I had no choice.
Norton betrayed us, Ellie. He was ready to kill us. Isaac did what he had to do to save the mission. Come on! We gotta keep moving.
Now there are only 4 of us left! I can't do this!
Then we leave you behind. If you can't keep your head, you're a danger to everybody.
You're horrible!
Nobody's leaving anybody. Now come on. Let's get to the top of this mountain. Together. Together.
So we got a couple boxes here. Doesn't matter which one of these you use. The only reason there's 2 of them is because of the co-op. I didn't realize that at the beginning, but that is why there's 2 of them.
We're gonna start an avalanche if we all try to climb this.
What do we do?
I'll climb up first and have a look around. Maybe there's a safer route.
One thing about these sections, see how I'm like straight up and down with the cable right now? If I'm off to the side like this, he slips more. But if you're like literally like straight up the cable, he doesn't slip as much. And actually, if you're too far over, you won't be able to get all the way to the top. Just something to keep in mind. I understand the idea of these repelling sections, but they're way too frequent, and, well, we haven't really had any up to this point, but there's going to be quite a few of them from here on out, or at least in this section of the game, and then later towards the end of the game there's going to be a ton of them. It just seems like a couple things in this game they overdid them. You know, after doing this repelling a couple times, it just loses its novelty. Because that's what it is, just novelty idea.
Ellie, come on.
They could have
Norton
given
was
us...
pointing a gun at my face. I'm sorry.
Is that supposed to make it okay? You never believed in me, or this mission, or us. I had to go find someone else to help me, and now he's dead. You sabotaged it, just like everything else.
What's that supposed to mean? Is that what you really think?
Yes, they brought you here at gunpoint. I guess that's what it took.
I'm not here because someone put a gun to my head.
Well, Norton said if someone put one to his.
What I was gonna say was they could just give us another long-ass fucking lift. You hear that in the distance? That's one of those wasters. He's caught under a rock and he's trying to get himself out. Of course, he's been sitting here for 600 years and he can't get out until suicide. There are going to be guys coming from both sides, so I like to go back here. Difficult to deal with the chain gun. It's not accurate. And there's such a small target area. Yeah, there is like an opening over there that they come out of. I hear another guy. I think it's a black slasher. Yeah. What are you doing all the way over there? Which way is the way to go? That way. We want to go the opposite way. You want to explore these caves pretty well because there are little alcoves and different sections that have items and weapon parts.
Guys, I found a cargo cage, and it's wedged into the cliff. I'll try to free it and send it down. Ellie, you hear me?
We see it.
The cage is on its way now. Ellie, can you see it? Ellie!
Oh God! Look out! That's us! Get behind me!
Ah, shit! Try to drive it away!
Ellie! Ellie! Ellie!
There's going to be about 4 leapers altogether. Where's the other one? There. This section is kind of tricky because we have to go up a little bit further. And that guy's spawned. And let's come back about here. guy comes up around here out of the snow. And the leakers sometimes they get stuck over there. I guess you have to wait until the second set of leaper spawns, and then that guy pops out of the snow, which is, you know, directly behind you. Once again, the game's being cheap, but it is what it is. Just gotta find out the best way to deal with it, or with each situation. I have trouble with these sections in this part of the game. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the enemies spawning behind you and you're in close quarters. There's going to be about 5 lurkers up here you're going to have to take care of. But the secret rifle will kill them in one hit, so... That's all of them. See, I'm going real slow right now and I can't go forward. It's because I'm so far to the side with the cable.
Isaac, we're okay. We drove it off.
Oh, thank God.
Look, about Robert. I just don't understand why he would try to kill you.
He blamed me for all the trouble we're in. He kept pushing to go home. I kept pushing to stay.
But the mission is all that matters. I thought Robert understood that.
I'm here for you. I mean that.
So this part, there's going to be some exploders, and there's going to be guys spawning behind you again. Forgot about that. These other exploders get stuck around this corner. I don't think that's all of them. Tungsten.